Welcome to Smart Showcase for Google Reviews Pro. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use the sentiment dashboard to gain deeper insights from your reviews. Once the reviews are loaded, just click the Initiate Sentiment Analysis button. You'll see a message confirming the analysis has begun. This process can take a while, but to keep this video quick, we've jumped ahead to the completed analysis. After the sentiment analysis is finished, reload the page to view the updated dashboard with detailed visual insights. Your dashboard displays AI-generated insights through various graphs, including the sentiment distribution graph, location-based sentiment graph, star rating versus sentiment graph, compliments versus complaints graph, aspect-based sentiment graph, and word frequency graph, along with a suspicious and fake reviews table. At a glance, view key metrics like total reviews, average star rating, positive versus negative review counts, and the number of responded versus non-responded reviews. The sentiment analysis updates automatically every 24 hours. A countdown timer on the dashboard shows when the next analysis will run. You can filter data by location or Google account, and all graphs and metrics will instantly update to reflect your selection. That's all for the sentiment dashboard in Smart Showcase for Google Reviews Pro. In our next video, we'll show you how to create a widget. If you need help, check out our full documentation or contact our support team. Thanks for watching.